Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to fix Xbox not turning on. So guys, I have multiple solutions to follow along. First one is just simply check the power supply. So guys, make sure the power cord is securely connected to both the console and the wall outlet. And now another one is just simply go ahead and reset the power supply. So just simply unplug the power cord from the console and wall outlet and wait for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. And just simply press the Xbox button and start the Xbox again, and you should be able to fix it. Now another one is just simply inspect the power brick. So if your Xbox has an external power brick, just simply check its LED indicator. So if it's a solid white or green light, it is a normal operation. But if it shows an orange or unit light, it suggests a power supply issue. So from there, just simply replace it if needed. Now another one is just simply try a different outlet. So just simply plug the power cord into a different wall outlet so you can identify if the Xbox is the problem or the outlet. Now another one is just simply remove external devices. So just simply disconnect any external devices like USB drives and try turning on the console, and this should be able to fix the issue. Now another one is just simply perform a hard reset by unplugging the console and then wait for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. And from there, just simply press the Xbox button and you should be able to fix the issue, guys. There you go. See ya.